Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to export Jira data to Excel. So first log into Jira with your active Google account. Now head over to Filters here. Let's get back here and just search for Filters. For example, click on All Work Items and select the one that you want to export to Excel. The work items or the issues or task that you want to export, click on the three dots here on the top right corner, where it says More Actions. Click on that and hit Export. You can export CSV with all fields, or you can also export just My Default section or all fields or My Default. Just hit Export Excel CSV. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment.